In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to TikTok and start selling your products directly through TikTok. This integration helps you reach more customers, run ads, and showcase your products to a massive audience. So let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage all apps connected to your Shopify store. Now, click on Shopify App Store and use the search bar to type TikTok. From the results, select the official TikTok app for Shopify. Click Install to add the app to your store. Shopify may ask you to review permissions before continuing, so simply approve the installation. After the app is installed, log in to your TikTok business account or create one if you don't already have it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your TikTok account with Shopify. Once connected, you'll be able to sync your products, create TikTok ads, track conversions, and sell products directly through TikTok content and campaigns. This integration makes it easier to promote your products and reach new customers using short-form video marketing. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify to TikTok. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if this tutorial helped you.